What is going down, legends, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at total crypto market cap, Bitcoin versus the DXY or US dollar index, a couple of charts from the main man, Mr. Raoul Pal himself, and Bitcoin production and electrical cost. But firstly, Bitcoin and the DXY. Any time historically when we have seen the DXY dump, Bitcoin has risen. And when we look where we are now, we've just taken out this swing low. I mean, for the last few days, the dollar has just been dumping. I am targeting 89 now. And I think if it gets there, we could see a nice push to the upside, similar to what we saw here. I'm not expecting a monstrous rally like we had here, but certainly some short-term relief should the DXY fall down here. When we look back from the start, I mean, it's just been clear to see, and some of that much needed relief would be most welcome right now. Total crypto market cap just really puts things into perspective. We've covered this before in terms of how the parabola has been formed over the last couple of cycles, and this cycle has been a lot more structured, largely due to it being an institutional bid. And I think to just assume that it's done now because of this sell-off, another thing, as I say, when we zoom out, I mean, it's not really done a lot, has it? It's just, I know it feels horrible at the moment, sideways price action, but again, this will have felt horrible. That will have felt horrible. This will have felt horrible. This move here will have felt horrible. But when you look at the big picture, they are just minor pieces of a much larger puzzle. So hopefully that's brought some calm into your psyche. Now, Nasdaq and Bitcoin correlation. Shout out Raoul Pal, as ever, the big G. I mean, just when we look at this, again, yes, we've decoupled a bit, but we also decoupled heavily over here to the upside. No one complains when the decoupling is to the upside. It's only ever when it decouples to the downside. It just really puts things into perspective. Again, when we look at Bitcoin against the total liquidity index, we decoupled over here. Look what happened. The gap closed. We outperformed it here, and we have returned to it, and we're slightly decoupled now. Decoupled over here as well. Back in 2015, what happened? An aggressive, sharp move higher to catch back up with it. So, as ever, zoom out. Dips are a natural part of crypto. Also, when we look at Bitcoin and its production and electrical cost, you can see we never really spend too much time beneath it. Granted, in the bottom of the bear market here, we did spend a few weeks below it, but what happened? Again, we pushed higher and eventually got above. Do we come down here? Do we come back down to test it at around the 70k mark? Now, I don't know, but one thing is for sure, I would rather be buying or DCAing into Bitcoin when it's in and around these areas rather than when we see blow off tops like this. Because even if it does come down here and you're DCAing, the next time it pushes aggressively away from it, you are going to be up heavily, bringing us back to that old adage of patience. Hope you got something out of this video. Please leave a comment if you've got any questions. And in the meantime, trade safe, keep the faith, stay bullish. Cheers.